88% of paper business cards are either lost or tossed. A digital business card will never be a part of that statistic. Stay tuned, and I will show you how you can make a memorable first impression with a digital business card. Hey there, Stan Shields here. We're going to chat just for a little bit about digital business cards, virtual business cards, talking V card. There's all kinds of names that people use to talk about this concept of a digital business card. So very first thing I want to share with you is that 88% of paper business cards are either lost or thrown into the trash pretty much immediately. Okay. And so what are the advantages of having a digital business card? Number one, you have unlimited space to tell your story, unlike what you have on a paper business card. Just think about how big that paper business card is. There's not a lot of information that can fit on it. The other thing with it is that with a digital business card, you can display the most accurate information is going to be on your digital business card because you can change it and update it on the fly. You're not worrying about having to reprint. You also get clickable links on your digital business card, meaning that you can now guide people directly to where you want them to go simply by giving them some clickable links on topics that are probably going to be of interest to them. And the digital business card is easy to change when your information changes. So if you change a phone number or a job title or maybe you even change jobs, right? Maybe you change companies and now your information's all changed. So you need to print new business cards. You don't need to do that with digital business cards. You just simply change your information on your digital business card, and it's very easy to share the new information with people. Now, the digital business card also, for that very reason, becomes really the start of your sales funnel, because you can also collect their information by using your digital business card. Okay. And it's also super easy to exchange the data to give them your information in the first place. Most digital business cards these days use a QR code, and that QR code is so versatile. There's so many different things that you're able to do with it. There's just tons more of advantages to having a digital business card. One of the bigger ones right now is that a digital business card is impressive. I'll tell you, I've gone to numerous networking events, and when I have the person scan my digital business card and then it puts it right into their contact record on their phone right now, number one, they're not going to throw it away very easily. They have to make a conscious decision to go in, find that record, and then to delete it if they want to take it out of their phone. But most people just aren't going to do that. They're going to just leave it right in their phone. So it's pretty much in there and it's handy. And then through the web address that's embedded in the contact record on their phone, they can always go right back to the digital business card and see what the data is that's there. So there are so many benefits for having a digital business card. And down below is a link that allows you to get a 7-day free trial on your digital business card. So what do you have to lose? Check it out. See if you can really use the digital business card the way that it's designed to be used and to your advantage for you and for your business. Talk to you soon.